We are here at Planet Hollywood. We have a 2-bedroom director's suite. We're in the Star Class building number 22. These are our rooms. So first there's a door here that you can come in, and then there's 2 separate rooms that you split into. So I made my kids and everybody leave their stuff out here. So your bracelet will activate the lock. There you go. And so this will be the kids' bedroom here. They've already made themselves at home. So they've got the beds, closet, a spot for all their stuff.
Mini bar.
There's a mini bar in there. Show what's in the mini bar. Show what's in the mini bar. And it's fully stocked right now with stuff, and then they come and restock it. TV here, more closet space, and a little space to sit. And then this is a pull-out couch, so one of the kids will sleep on that. And it's nice because then these kids will have their own beds. Yeah, him especially, he's ready for that. Then you have a little inspirational quote. Let's see. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. It's missing some letters, but we don't care. And then the kids have their own terrace out here.
We do?
Yes, you do. Will you open it? No, you have to undo the lock. Undo the lock. There you go. Now pull it. So the kids actually will have their own terrace here. Okay, be quiet though. And look at the view here. They have actually a nice ocean view.
Can I jump down into the room?
No, you cannot. And then a view of the labyrinth. And then look at those inviting swim-up rooms down there. A nice sitting area. Okay, so this is the kids' bedroom. Let's go ahead and go across into the living area, and also close the fridge, please. And also the... Oh, actually, I forgot to show you the bathroom. There's a bathroom, too. Hopefully. Hello, it's me. Toilet, closet. Guys, will you stop? And then there's a shower here. Let's see if it has any... Wow, that's a nice spacious shower. We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in there. And then the rainfall shower head. Okay, now let's go across this hall here and see what we see. And I have to scan into mine. And here we go. Let's see what we got here. There's a bathroom here with a shower. And once again, the amenities, rainfall shower head, all that. There's a regular one too. And I'm pretty sure there's a toilet in here. Yep, toilet. Okay. Now this is the living area. Well, let's see what's in here. There's an extra closet. Ooh, with a full body mirror. I will be using that later to see how strange I look in some of my vacation clothes. And here we have our entire kitchenette, which is just awesome. There is a wine fridge. So when you're Star Class, you actually get a bottle of red wine. And I believe, let's see, what is this? So there's the red. And then the blanc. And what's that? Merlot. Okay, so yeah, we actually have quite a decent amount. And then we have our mini bar down here, which has got waters, Pepsis, beers. You can see all the good stuff, some juice boxes. Let's see. Cabinet space. I don't know what we'll be using that for, probably nothing. But it's nice because if you order room service, which is 24 hours here, then you can heat it up if you need to. And then it's got the same quote here. And there's a TV. Now this is another pull-out couch, so one of my kids will be taking advantage of that so that none of them have to share a bed, because apparently that is the worst thing. a cool light. Now this is like one of the best features, I think. Check out our patio view here. First we have this little tub, which I'm sure one of my boys will probably be in, flopping around like a fish. And then the massive patio, which has a wonderful ocean view and a view of pretty much all the resort on this side, the family side anyway. Like, just beautiful. And then there's another door over here so that you can come out from the master suite, so I'll show you that too. All right, so there's that. And, oops, slammed that a little too hard. Okay, now let's go. Aha, and the master bedroom, king size bed, nice couch, access to the patio. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there is so much to smile about from Marilyn Monroe. Ooh, plus you get a free beach tote with Star Class. So hallelujah, that's nice. Check this out. I will be using this a lot. Well, we're only here for 6 days, so I maybe use it 5 times. But still, look at all these mirrors. How wonderful. And then we have toilet closet number 1. And this closet is shower closet. Yeah. And then, of course, you have all of your storage and all that, and slippers and bathrobes. How nice. There's a steamer if you need it. I don't know how to use one, so I will not be needing it. But anyway, yeah, this is a 2-bedroom Star Class Director Suite, and I am in love.